welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, then welcome. My name is Livmjev and I'm a 7th grade language arts teacher right outside of Philadelphia. Today is my classroom setup part 2, so if you missed part 1, make sure you go back and watch that one. My dad's gonna come in and help me out a little bit and we're gonna set everything up. So I hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you do, please make sure you give it a thumbs up and let's get right into it. I just got in my room and unfortunately they did not get rid of the old desks, but they did set up the new ones. So obviously those are all the new ones there, and then all the chairs are out. But clearly they didn't get rid of any of the boxes or my old desks, so I don't really know what to do because there's still just stuff everywhere and I don't have room to put anything. So I'm kind of annoyed right now because this was supposed to be done over a week ago, but I don't know. I'm not gonna be able to set up too much, so there'll probably be 3 parts to my classroom setup because there's only so much I can do today, but I'm gonna probably hang my curtains. I'll maybe hang up some stuff on the walls and kind of just get some things together. This is my teacher area. I gotta move this back over to this corner, but obviously there's all this trash here. So like I said, I don't really know what to do because there's just stuff everywhere. I got all this stuff from Target yesterday. This is like stuff from Target Dollar Spot, a bulletin board, and then this lamp was only $9 at Target. Just a stand-up lamp for $9, so can't beat that. So this is a bunch of Dollar Spot stuff that I got for prizes. So I'm gonna do like a little prize bin or something if kids are good for like positive reinforcement. So that's a bunch of that. And then these are my curtains and nails so I can hang stuff up on the wall. So I'll probably just try and organize as much as I can. Right now, my dad is here and he took off the vent for the air conditioner because it was really rusted and gross, and he is spray painting that white and cleaning it, and then he's gonna screw that back in. But he's not gonna stay because there's obviously nothing much more for him to do. So this is what we're working with right now. I'll say the paint looks amazing now that it's all dry. I love it so much.
Just noticed.
I just noticed. Well, that's good. What a quick meeting.
inch off.
What?
Yeah.
How did I do that? It's your first time? Woo! Oh my
God.
It's so good. Dad, what happened to you?
Yo, me?
What?
You did the friggin' holes.
Yeah.
It's not this
Yeah.
hard.
Oh, and
Why?
that's great. Look, we're on friggin' camera. That's nice.
I think I'm gonna head out because it's 11:30, but there's really not much more I can do. But we actually got a lot done over here in my little teacher area. So my dad gave me a new mini fridge, thank God. He's moving and had that, so he was just gonna get rid of it anyway. So that I really lucked out because I was gonna have to buy another one since my old one broke. But he helped me hang up my mirror and the bulletin boards because those were like kind of heavier, annoying things to hang. And then we moved this desk over here, which worked out really well because my microwave and my printer were on this like rolly cart, and I just hate the look of this. Like I just did not like it at all. And this desk I used for the other teachers that come into my room and use my room during prep period, but they really only come in with their laptop. Like they don't need a huge desk like this. So my other teacher desk is gonna be this one right here because this is such an awkward like size desk anyway. Not size, but like obviously it's like diagonal, and it just like fit that corner very awkwardly. So I'm gonna use that as like the teacher desk. And then I gotta figure something out with this bookshelf. And obviously I'm not gonna keep it there, but I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm happy that I at least got like a lot of this corner done. Because I hated the way that like this corner looked. There's obviously just stuff everywhere. I can't even think right now to do anything else, so I'm probably just gonna head out because like I said, like I can't do anything. Like all these desks are just throwing me off right now. I was gonna make like a gallery wall and I was gonna hang that stuff today with these pictures here, but I'm just gonna wait and do it all later because like I said, I can't even think right now. Like it's so cluttered in here. My dad took this off and spray painted it, which looks really, really good. And then that's where I'm gonna do my gallery wall right here. So I'm pretty much just gonna like put a mixture of these pictures and just kind of like place them on that wall. So this closet's full of like all my decor items and rugs and pictures and all that kind of stuff. So I'm just gonna do this later. You can look out for that for part 3. I know this was a shorter video, but like I said, I thought I was gonna be able to do more. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my future uploads. Keep a lookout for the fun stuff because my fun decor uploading videos will be up hopefully shortly. Until then, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.